Today we go bigger. We are building TripBuddy, a travel assistant with a bigger knowledge base. Variables to remember things about the user, the tools tab to connect to a live weather API, and we'll peek at the measure section to see how you would monitor an agent after it's live. If you haven't seen video 1, don't worry. I will explain everything again as we go. Let's break this down. Welcome back to Sritej Explains. In the last video, we toured the Voiceflow workspace and built TripBuddy, a coffee shop AI with a personality, global prompt, routing rules, instructions, a knowledge base, and we deployed it on a web page using the web chat widget. Let's go to Projects tab and we'll click New Project and we'll enter a project name as TripBuddy. Now we'll leave everything as default and we'll create from scratch. Our agent is created. Same as before, we get global prompt and instructions. We open global prompt, we get persona and goal. We say you are a TripBuddy, a friendly and enthusiastic AI travel assistant, and we'll keep goals as greet the user warmly and ask their name. Ask what kind of trip they want, like relaxing, adventure, or culture, and recommend a destination based on their answer using the knowledge base. After recommending a destination, mention the current temperature using the temperature variable, like by the way, it's currently temperature degree Celsius in destination right now. And we keep responses short, friendly, and conversational. If you don't know something, say so honestly instead of guessing. But look closely at point 4. We are using curly braces for temperature and destination. These are variables. Think of a variable like a sticky note the agent carries around during the conversation. It can write something down like the user's name or today's weather and read it back later. Right now these variables are empty. We are going to fill them using the Tools tab in a few minutes. Let's open Instruction tab. It's same structure as TripBuddy. Starting message tells it how to greet people. We say greet the user, introduce yourself as a trip buddy and ask their name and what kind of trip they are looking for, like relaxing, adventure or cultural. And in tools, when a user requests matches a tool, use the tool. Always prefer tools over answering from the global prompt alone, like knowledge base. Use this for destination details, budgets, highlights, and general travel fact like visas, packing, insurance, flights, and weather lookup. Use this whenever you need the current temperature for a destination using its coordinates. We listed 2 tools this time, knowledge base, which we will fill the travel info, and a new one, weather lookup, which doesn't exist yet. We are basically writing a job description for a tool before we build it. Let's build the knowledge base first, then go create the weather lookup tool. Let's open knowledge base tab. Here we need to add data source. We'll add here or on the top right side also we can add, like both are same. We click plain text. In that we paste our content. 4 destinations, each with a budget, highlights, best time to visit and coordinates. We'll need those coordinates for the weather lookup in a bit. This is already much bigger than TripBuddy fact, but Voiceflow handles it exactly the same way. It chops it into searchable chunks automatically. We click import and our TripBuddy destination guide is created. Now we'll add another data source, a general travel fact. Why 2 documents instead of 1? Because in real businesses, information comes from different places, a product catalog, a policy doc, a support fact, and Voiceflow's knowledge base searches across all of them together. Let's quickly test with run. We'll go to Agents tab and we'll click run button. We'll get our AI agent loaded. Once our agent is loaded, we'll ask what should I pack for adventure trip. It will pull answers correctly from our FAQ, and we'll also get the follow-ups like check weather, tell more about. Now let's build the part that makes this feel truly alive, the live weather tool. Right now, everything TripBuddy knows is written down. It's static, like a printed brochure, but real value comes from live information. If someone's deciding between Bali and Patagonia, wouldn't it help to know the actual current weather in each place right now? And AI can't know that on its own. It has to reach out to another service. In Voiceflow, that's done in the Tools tab. This is the toolbox we glanced at in video 1. Today we actually use it. We'll use OpenMeto, a completely free weather service. No sign up, no API key. Perfect for a tutorial. You send it a latitude and longitude, and it sends back the current temperature as JSON. Basically a small structured text reply. See this number here. Temperature 2M. That's a live temperature right now for these coordinates Bali's. That's the number TripBuddy will use. Let's build this step by step. We'll go to Tools tab and we'll click Create Tool. Then we'll click API call, and then we'll first name it as like a weather lookup. This name doesn't matter much, but the description does, because the AI reads this description to decide when to use the tool. We write gets the current temperature for a destination using its latitude and longitude. We'll create it. Then and the next step is inputs. Think of this as a blanks on a screen from the AI must fill in before submitting, like latitude and longitude. Since we already put coordinates in our knowledge base for each destination, the AI can pull those numbers out and plug them in here. We'll enter the description also for both the latitude and longitude, like a latitude of the location as a decimal number, and longitude as longitude of the location as a decimal number. Once we're done, we'll go to API configuration, like getting method get, and the URL where the latitude and longitude are placeholders, and that get replaced with real numbers automatically. We'll paste the URL. There are many methods, you can see. We'll paste URL. If you see the latitude and longitude placeholders there, you can see, and you can run it. We'll get an empty here. In the we need to outmapping this, like we go to variables and we'll enter latitude and longitude, and then we click run. We get the details like latitude, longitude and everything, and if you see current temperature, under the current temperature 2M 6.2. If we come back, it's confirmed. Finally, output mapping. We tell Voiceflow from the response. Take current.temperature_2m and save it into our temperature variable. The same variable we referenced back in our global prompt in first section. Step back and look at the full chain. User picks a trip type. Then AI finds matching destination and coordinates in knowledge base. And then AI calls a weather lookup tool with those coordinates. Then after the tool returns the live temperature, and then temperature fills the temperature variable, and then AI mentions it in its reply. That's the entire chain. That's orchestration, visible piece by piece in Voiceflow. In the agents tab right below weather lookup, when you click plus, we'll get an object type and save the variable property. Like we need to set it for like a output mapping of like a before we get current or temperature, right? So we need to map it to the temperature variable. So we create a variable and name it as temperature, and we'll create the variable, and then we'll enter the object path like current dot temperature underscore 2m. That object path is setting to temperature, so we will be creating that, we will be keeping that, and we'll click run button. Like we'll go now run the whole thing using the run button. Our agent is loaded. We type hi, I am Shri, and agent will greet us, and now we'll ask, I want an adventure trip. Watch it, it recommends Patagonia from our knowledge base. You see, if you see the reply, it looks up the coordinates, calls our weather lookup tool, and tells us the current temperature there, fetched live seconds ago from a real weather service. Let's ask, what should I pack? It also pulls from our fact document too, the reply, like comfortable hiking shoes, layered clothing, everything will be pulled from our fact document. Look at everything that just happened in one reply: a personality, global prompt, routing rules, instructions, memory, the name variable, a knowledge base with 2 documents, and a live external tool called for real time weather. That's entire system. That's AI orchestration, and you have built every piece of it. Let's go to widgets tab now, and then we'll see the script code for our web page, JavaScript code. And here, as like previous video one, we can edit styles, appearance style, like we can change color, whatever we like, and then we'll keep the header image from our local device. We'll just upload it, and also we'll upload the header name as your TripBuddy, and then we'll also banner image, we'll change the banner image from our local device, and then launcher type and image, we'll change whatever we like this, and then these are the styles basically. And we'll go to agents tab, and then we'll run it. Our agent is loaded again. We'll make sure to publish that, so that updations will be happening, and we'll click one more time publish. That's it. Here is a simple HTML page for our TripBuddy. Like we haven't done anything, we just like HTML, like body, paragraph, hi, welcoming, and we'll paste that script code here, and we'll format it to be visible nice, and then we'll click live, go live. It's running live server. That's it. Just like BeanBuddy, we have deployed our TripBuddy also. It's our TripBuddy is live on a website now, and complete with live weather. We can also test similarly previous messages, watch temperature, everything is directly pulled from the current weather API tool lookup. We'll go briefly on to measure sections. First, transcripts. Every conversation your agent has gets recorded here, like a call center recording every customer call. It's great for spotting where the agent struggled. You can see cost, duration, resolution, resolved or not, these all things. And then evaluations. This lets you or test cases score how well the agent answered, like 63 is evolution rate, 33% abounded. These all it's like a teacher grading test answer to check if responses are accurate and helpful. Tests, you can write a specific text conversation. If a user asks X, the agent should say roughly Y, and run them automatically, like unit test for our AI agent. And analytics, we can see our analytics, how well it's performed. It's a big picture dashboard, how many conversations, how long they take, common topics, like a business dashboard for our AI agents performance. You can see all tools, KB document usage, everything here. You won't need these on day one, but once your agent is live with real users, this is how you would monitor and improve it over time, the same way developers monitor and any production app. Let's recap both videos. In video 1, we explained AI orchestration with the restaurant analogy, tour the workspace and build TripBuddy personality, routing instructions, a knowledge base deployed to a web page. In video 2, we built TripBuddy, bigger knowledge base, variables to remember info, and most importantly, the tool step to connect a live weather API, watching the full orchestration chain work in real time. We also peeked at transcripts, evaluations, tests, and analytics for monitoring agents after launch. If you followed both videos, you know understand the architecture behind real AI products. Voiceflow just lets you see it instead of it being buried in backend code. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for the more breakdown like this, and let me know in the comments what to build next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.